The king sits in Dunfermline town, drinking the blood-red wine. Oh, where will I get a skeely skipper to sail this new ship of mine? Oh, up in spak in elder nicht sat at the king's recht knee. Sir Patrick Spens is the best sailor that ever sailed the sea. Our king has written a braid letter and sealed it with his hand and sent it to Sir Patrick Spens, was walking in the strand. To Norroway, to Norroway, to Norroway o'er the fame. The king's daughter of Norroway, 'tis thou must bring her hame. The first word that Sir Patrick read, say loud, laughed he. The next word that Sir Patrick read, the tear blinded his ee. Oh, wha is this has done this deed, and told the king of me to send a suit at this time of year to sail upon the sea? Be it wind, be it weet, be it hail, be it sleet, our ship must sail the fame. The king's daughter of Norroway, 'tis we must fetch her hame. They hoist their sails on Monday morn, wi' all the speed they may. They hae landed in Norroway upon a Wednesday. They hadna been a week in Norroway, but twa, when that the lords of Norroway began aloud to say, You Scottish men spend our king's gowd and our queen's fee. Ye lee, ye leers loud, full loud I hear ye lee. For I hae brocht as muckle white money as gain my men and me, and I brocht half fu o' good red gowd out ower the sea wi' me. Mak ready, my merry men a', our good ship sails the morn. No ever a lack, my master dear, I fear a deadly storm. I saw the new moon late yestreen, with the old moon in her arm, and if we gang to sea, master, I fear we'll come to harm. They hadna sailed a league, but barely 3, when the lift grew dark, and the wind blew loud, and gurly grew the sea. The anchors brak, and the topmast lap, it was sick a deadly storm, and the waves come o'er the broken ship, till all her sides were torn. Oh, where will I get a good sailor to tak my helm in hand, till I get up to the tall topmast, to see if I can spy land? Oh, here I am, a sailor good, to tak the helm in hand, till you go up to the tall topmast, but I fear you'll ne'er spy land. He hadna gone a step, but barely in, when a bolt flew out our goodly ship, and the salt sea had come in. Gie fetch a web of the silken claith, another of the twine, and wap them into our ship's side, and letna the sea come in. They fetched a web of the silken claith, another of the twine, and they wapped them round that good ship's side. But still the sea come in. Oh, laith were our good Scots lords to weet their cork-heeled shoon. But long or all the play was played, they wat their hearts aboon. And many was the feather bed that fluttered on the fame, and many was the good lord's son that never mair came hame. Their ladies wrang their fingers white, their maidens tore their hair, all for the sake o' their true loves, for them they'll see nae mair. Oh, long may the ladies sit, with their fans into their hand, afore they see Sir Patrick Spens come sailing to the strand. And long may the maidens wait, with their gowd kames in their hair, a-waiting for their ain dear loves, for them they'll see nae mair. Half hour to Aberdour, 'tis 50 fathoms deep, and there lies good Sir Patrick Spens, with the Scots lords at his feet.